I ask for 60 seconds of your time to tell you what we do. Oracle Database and Apex administration, everything from applying patches to installing a complete software stack on bare metal. Little jobs, big jobs, we can help you with. 24/7 support. We'll watch your database or your complete stack for you. Production Oracle Apex hosting. Provision 3 separate database environments for you, so you have a test, dev, and production, regularly patched, hardened, everything's encrypted. Apex development. We'll design and develop apps or come in for staff augmentation on a project that you've got going. Training. You might be interested in Oracle Database Security or Oracle 12c new features, which have lots of security. Oracle license. We are an Oracle partner, so we can provision your Oracle license for you, but we'll give you expert advice. Do you really need Enterprise Edition? Maybe you can get away with Standard Edition too. We will help you make that decision. Of course, we have the free Apex plugins. We also have a product, Oracle Database Manager. This is a free database management tool written in Apex. Some people call it the Apex app for Oracle DBAs. And we're really good at Amazon AWS. We've been doing it for almost 10 years now. We host production Apex applications on an Oracle database installed on AWS. If you're trying to get yourself migrated to cloud, we can help you with Amazon AWS Cloud.